this video, I will show you how to fix the new Facebook layout not showing. So for that, what you'll have to do is first of all open up Play Store. In the search bar, search for Facebook. From here, check if there is any update button available. If there is, then simply update your app. But if your app is already up to date, what you can do is press and hold on to the Facebook icon. Then click on More Features. Then App Info. From here, click on Force Stop, then confirm it. Then go to Storage Uses. Here you will find Clear Data and Clear Cache. Make sure you click on Clear Cache written in bright red. After that, you can simply go back. Press and hold on to your power button. From here, restart your phone. Once your phone has restarted, you can simply try relaunching Facebook. And if it is still not there, then simply open up Facebook. Then click on this 3 lines menu bar in the bottom right corner or your profile icon. After that, simply scroll till the end. Here you will find the logout button. Simply click on it. Then confirm logout, and after that log back into your account. And even after that, if it's still not working, then simply press and hold on to the Facebook icon. Click on uninstall. Confirm it. Then download it from the Play Store. And even after all of these, if it is still not working, then that might be Facebook is trying to slowly reach multiple users and your account has not been there yet. You can simply wait for some time and keep on checking Play Store, and whenever you find new update button available there, simply click on update and then you'll get the feature. And that's it. If you think this video was helpful, please like, share, subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.